So ladies, we're going to be making lace tint today. I will be using this honey brown Kiss hair dye, an empty small spray bottle, some salt, it doesn't matter which brand you use, and this cup. Okay, we're going to be adding water into the cup. It doesn't matter how much water. And then we're going to place the cup into the microwave for about a minute or two. We just want to get the water warm. Very, very warm. Not hot, but warm. While the water is warming up, you can go ahead and open your salts just to have it ready for when you're going to be using it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pour some of the hair dye into this small spray bottle. It doesn't have to be much. I did not actually measure this. I don't think it requires to be measured, but I did make sure I poured about an inch of the hair dye into the bottle. And then we're going to add the salt. The salt is going to work as a neutralizer. You don't need much. I would say half of a teaspoon should be enough, especially for this size of the spray bottle. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and pour the salt into the bottle with the hair dye. And just shake it up so the salt can spread evenly within the hair dye. You want to go ahead and shake it up until all the salt is covered in the hair dye. You don't want to see any white little pebbles. Now it's time to add our water. The water is not steaming hot, but it is warm, very, very warm. So that's perfect. We're going to take the top off our spray bottle and begin to pour the water into the spray bottle until it is full. Now, I don't know why I did not do this over the sink due to the fact that I'm right on side of the sink. So yes, I did get some water on my counter, but that is fine. I will wipe it up. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and place the top onto the bottle, and then we're going to shake it up really, really good. Like we're just going to shake, just shake and keep shaking. I also recorded this while my client was literally sitting across the room waiting to get her wig applied. I just didn't have time to do it earlier. Voila, there's the lace tint. I'm going to show you how to apply it to your lace and how to achieve the perfect shade. I'm going to use this piece of paper as a tester to test the shade of the lace tint. Now, I must say I would prefer this to a person with caramel skin rather than the person who has the skin color of me or my client that I will be applying this wig to. So here you see me pouring out some of the mixture. I'm actually going to add more hair dye because I thought if I add more hair dye, then the color would come out darker, but actually that was not the case. And yes, you did see me try to pour the hair dye inside the bottle with it closed. So since I added more hair dye, I'm going to shake it up again just so it can even out, and I'm going to spray it again onto the white paper to test out the color that it is now. And from the looks of my results, with me adding the hair dye, it actually made some shades lighter. So I'm going to say that the reason it made the shades lighter was because I did not add more salt. So basically, to achieve the best shade, you would just use darker color dye in my case. So here's the wig I will be applying. It is so pretty. It was a 613 wig, custom color. Check out the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to flip the wig inside out so the lace is properly displayed. And then little 2 to 3 dry will be just fine, depending on how many layers or how heavily you spray the lace tint onto your pieces. And I know at this point y'all are tired of hearing the word lace, because I'm tired of saying the word lace. I am not going to show you all how I applied this wig, for I have done so in a previous video, and I will do more in upcoming videos, but I will show you my final look once applied to the client. So here's our final look, and yes, that lace is melted, okay? And I'm going to show y'all the view from one of my filters that I love so much. It is so pretty. And here it is. Thank you, dolls, for watching. See you later in my next video.